Good morning, children. Today's topic, reproduction in animals. Children, like any other living thing, animals are born, grow, give birth to their young one, get old and die. So, the ability to produce more of their own kind is known as reproduction. Children, reproduction is most essential for continuation of a species or a group of animal. It means it ensures the continuation of similar kind of animals generation after generation. Animals have mainly two different types of reproduction. First, egg-laying animals, which lays eggs and baby hatches out from the egg. So birds, snakes, lizards are some examples of egg-laying animals. Second group of animal reproduction is by giving birth to their young ones. And the baby develops inside the body of the mother. Such animals are also called mammals. Yes. So cats, dogs, human beings, tigers are some examples of mammals. Mammals have hair or fur on their body. They feed on their mother's milk and directly give birth to their babies. Mammals take care of their young ones by giving milk, cleaning them and protecting them from enemies. Let us understand the first group of reproduction, that is egg laying animals. Many of the animals reproduce by laying eggs. The eggs are laid in a safe place like nest, burrows or holes. So, in this case, either of the parents sit on the egg to keep it warm, and after a fixed period of time, the egg gets matured and the young one hatches out. When the baby birds are fully developed, they break the eggshell as shown in this picture and come out. So, this process is called hatching. 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 Let us understand parts of an egg. An egg has a thin protective shell called eggshell. Within this eggshell, you can see there is white jelly-like substance called albumin, which is rich in proteins. Inside, the yellow inner part of the egg is called yolk, and it is rich in fats, vitamins and minerals. Children, this yolk contains food for the growing embryo. So the embryo develops into a chick. This is internal structure of an egg, consists eggshell, albumin and yolk. Is life cycle. It consists various stages of development from an embryo to a mature adult. Is called the life cycle of an animal. Let's understand life cycle of a butterfly. Children, life cycle of a butterfly consists four different stages. First, eggs. Second, larva, which is also called caterpillar. Third, pupa. And fourth, adult butterfly. Let us see. An adult butterfly lay eggs on a leaf. So, the egg hatches into a larva, which is also called caterpillar. So, the caterpillar builds a cocoon around itself to form a pupa. So, the pupa sheds its skin many times to become an adult butterfly. The process of shedding of old skin is called molting. Life cycle stages of frog. So, children, you know very well frogs are amphibians. What happens first? A frog lays egg in large clusters called spawns. So, this tadpole hatches out of the egg, which undergoes several changes, such as it grows legs first and then loses its tail before it becomes an adult. So, this process is called metamorphosis. A complete change from a young form to adult form is called metamorphosis. The form of a frog is also called froglet. Life cycle of fish. A fish starts its life as an egg, means fish reproduce by laying eggs. They lay thousands of eggs at one time and goes into a larval stage, which is out of egg, but they still eat from its yolk. It means when they are developed enough, The baby fish hatch out from these eggs and start growing, become an adult fish. These are actual life cycle stages of fish. Go through these question answers and revise it again.